Kyle token base. Let's see how difficult this is. You'll be surprised. Ruby's on. And Nick. That's it. I'm done. Now let's see how Nick does. And you'll find out Nick does very well. Ruby is doing everything. You'll kill him. He'll come back and kill him. No, he'll kill him. There you go. Kill a couple of these guys. He'll kill this guy. He'll take him out. I think he'll take him out next. No, a little bit different every time. Take out these guys. Take out these two. And then go take out these two. That was it. One Kyle token. Now let's see how we did for damage. Where's our next one? Okay, we'll come back and get him. We'll wait for Nick to come back. See what he gets for damage. In the meantime, let's see how we're doing. Where are we at? All right, got 8 and 9 to finish. All right, we're getting there. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. So as you can see, it doesn't take much damage. Okay, that was it.